Do you have a title and you don't know how to transfer the title under your name here in US? I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. So that way, when you buy a car, you're not going to be scammed or anything like that. So I'm going to show you how a few titles here, different cars, so that way you can see everything. So as usual, I am in US. If you need any part, used car, old cars, or anything like that, just let me know. So basically, this is how the title looks like. So for instance, this is an old title. The new title looks kind of like that. So I bought recently a minivan, and this is the model. So the most important thing is the VIN number. So this is the identification number. Otherwise, you have it here. As you can see, this is very clearer than this one. This is a little bit, it's too dark. Here you have better contrast. So here you can see the owner. So this is the actual owner of the minivan, the address, and you have the previous owner here as well. So all you have to do in order, when you have the title, because I did, I went to the notary, so that way you have this seal here and everything is good to go. You put your name. This is my name, the address. You have to put the price that you pay the vehicle, the date, and then the mileage. Here you have the all data, all the information of the previous owner, and that's it. Once you do that, they will give you something like this. As you can see here, this is what I paid for a temporary tag. So the tag is the plate that you put in the back of your vehicle, so that way you can drive anywhere without any issue. So this is the temporary tag. So this is just a paper that they gave you. So if you're having some issues, you know that you cannot transfer the title right away. And then this is the permanent tag. So this is how it looks like. You have to put this sticker here. As you can see, this is the county. Here, this is the sticker for the year. So this, when this is going to expire. So 10/22, that is when it expire. The next year, at least here in Ohio, you pay about $80, and then it doesn't matter the car that you have. If you have a Lamborghini, Rolls Royce, or anything, you pay $80 anyway. In some states, you have to pay for a percentage of the value of your car. So you do that. Put it here. Usually each year has a different color. For instance, I have another one over there. Is a purple one, as you can see. That's it. So that is what you have to know when you do the title transfer, the tags, and everything. And later you can get the permanent tag. So as you can see, the fees, at least for now, is $15, and then the beauty fee $5, so $20 in total. So at least here in Ohio, you pay you don't pay a property tax on a car, so you pay like a fixed rate is about $80-90. So if it doesn't matter if you have a Mercedes-Benz or you have a very old beater car or something like that, you're going to pay kind of the same. The only thing that you're going to pay the percentage of the car is when you transfer it under your name. Otherwise, when you renew the license plate every year, you're going to pay only a fixed amount, and that's it. In another states, you pay a percentage of the value of the car. So as you can see, this is my name here, my address, the date, and you have to put, like I mentioned before, you have to make sure that you have the VIN number. Everything is good. So here is the plate that they gave me, the expiration date, so it will expire very soon, and that's it. So all you have to make sure, I'm going to show you here the other license, the other title, as you can see here. So here is the Chevrolet. This is a Camaro 98 C28. I bought this. So as you can see, we have the title. This is the actual owner, the previous owner, the address, and when it will expire. So I have to go to the DMV and pay the fee, so that way they can give me the title that will be under my name. So as you can see here, you have to put the amount of the price that you pay the car, the date, the name, the address, and that's it. So that is, as you can see here, we have the seal of the notary, and that is all you need. So I'm going to show you, for instance, here. This is something that I have under my name already. Here is the VIN number. Just verify that the VIN number is the same one that you have on your windshield and on the side of the car. So that way, because some people, you know, they try to scam you. They have maybe a good title, but the car is not good. The mileage. So this is a classic car. This is a cheap car, but it's a classic car. So I like it. So that is why I bought it. 3 cylinders. But this is how it looks like when you have the title under your name. So here on the other side, I didn't put the odometer or anything like that. I didn't put anything here because I'm not planning to sell it for now. And here you put the price, you put the transfer date, and that's it. So, and you also have to sign here and here under, you know, in front of a notary, so that way they can stamp it and everything should be good. So here I have another example in the other side. You put the signature here. The guy, he forgot to sign here, so you have to go to the notary again, so that way the guy can sign here. But other than that, make sure that everything is signed the way it should be. Here I have another example. Here we should be good. And here they forgot to put the address, but make sure that everything is in place. So before you give the paperwork, otherwise you're not going to be able to transfer it. So as usual, hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.